Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. After all that we have learned about Dick's Sporting Goods being an anti-2A company, they proved that time and time again. Matter of fact, they doubled down on being anti-2A by hiring lobbyists, sending them off to Washington, and fighting against our rights. But yet, I keep hearing that Dick's is thriving. Like, I have people who are leaving comments on a previous video that I made saying, "Oh, you don't know what you're talking about, dude. Dick's is doing great. They are financially doing awesome." And I'm thinking, how could this be true? You know, is this true? I hear so many people have been boycotting Dick's. People are putting stuff all over social media. Every time I drive by a Dick's Sporting Goods, the parking lot is less than half full. So I'm wondering about this. Now I'm thinking, this can't be right. How is Dick's doing so well? So what I decided to do was go to Dick's at what I feel would be the peak hour of the week, around 1 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon, where most people, in my opinion, would be shopping. So that's exactly what I did. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods, went to the gun counter to see how many people were there, if they were making any gun purchases or ammo accessory purchases, as well as try to talk to somebody who worked there. And I did. After about 15 minutes, I talked to a guy. I've got that included toward the end of this video. Be sure to check that out and let me know what you think. And then if you want the full conversation, I may add that in another video. But this is what I experienced just today, 1 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon at Dick's Sporting Goods.
Well, here we are at Dick's. You can see that there is nobody around at the gun counter and no customers here at all. Come over here. Nobody's here. Oh, all those rip-off rifles for sale. No handguns at all. Everything in here is so overpriced. It is unbelievable. Let's see some of these good deals. Total rip-off prices. I don't see any sporting rifles. I've been here for 10 minutes. Nobody's around. Nobody at the counter. Nobody walking around or anything. Whole gun, ammo, and accessory section completely empty. I'm just standing here with my camera. Nobody's around. Where are they? I don't see anybody around here. 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
I just want to ask how gun and ammo sales have been.
I absolutely cannot answer any of those questions, unfortunately.
Why not?
Company policy.
Well, I noticed nobody's here.
I mean, nobody's buying guns at this moment, no.
Have you been selling many?
I cannot elaborate on that.
What are your thoughts about Dick's removing sporting rifles?
Still cannot elaborate on it, regardless of my opinion, unfortunately. It's just one of those things, I'm just following company policy.
I understand. I don't have a problem with you. I have a problem with Dick's Sporting Goods and Field and Stream with their policies of so many things, especially sending lobbyists to Washington to fight against our rights.
And you are 1,000% in the right to have that opinion. I mean, it's your opinion. No one can change it.
Right.
You know.
But here we have a company that claims to be pro 2A, and yet they're doing all these anti-2A moves. Several of them. Like taking all the sporting rifles. That's their policy. I don't have a problem with that. But then when you go a step further to try to remove the rights of other Americans who are pro 2A, that's where I have the problem.
Yeah, like I said, I wish I was able to discuss this, but I just want to keep my job.
No,
So
I understand, and you should want to keep your job. But I find it interesting that this company here has done so much anti-2A stuff, and yet they claim sales are up And here we are Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock, and I don't see anybody around. I will say that the gentleman I spoke with was a very nice guy. He was Pro 2A. He was careful with the words that he used, and we had a respectful conversation. But that was my experience at Dick's Sporting Goods. It was pretty empty on a Saturday afternoon at 1 p.m. I'm still wondering where all this money is coming from. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.